Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a time you visited a new place. You should say, where the new place at? When you went there? Why did you go there? And explain how you feel about the place. Traveling to Manali, a stunning hill station in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, was one of my most unforgettable new experiences. I had never been to a hilly area before, and the experience was quite remarkable. I spent my winter vacation there around 2 years ago. A few close college classmates had organized the vacation. Exams and assignments had been stressing us all out, so we all agreed to take a quick vacation to unwind. We looked into a number of possibilities before deciding on Manali because of its reputation for serene surroundings, scenic splendor, and snow-capped mountains. We were all eager to try something new because none of us had been there before. We chose Manali mostly so that we could experience snow and partake in adventure sports like snowboarding, river rafting, and paragliding. We stayed in a comfortable hotel with spacious windows that opened to a stunning view of the mountains and wooden decor. We went to Solong Valley, which was entirely blanketed with snow, on the second day. I was in awe of the beauty of nature, and the picture appeared to be straight out of a postcard. We also went to the well-known Hidimba temple and shopped at the neighborhood market, where we purchased handcrafted trinkets and woolen clothing. The whole experience, the clean air, the breathtaking mountains, the regional cuisine, and the friendliness of the locals, was what made this trip unique. I felt at peace and connected to nature in Manali, which was a welcome change from the fast-paced, loud city life I was used to. I was motivated and at ease at the same time. In order to preserve the trip's beauty and recollections, I also snapped a lot of pictures. To sum up, my trip to Manali was the ideal fusion of leisure, adventure, and the natural world. It allowed me to take a vacation from my everyday life and helped me understand the value of traveling to new locations and seeing different cultures. Without a doubt, I would adore returning and seeing other hill stations. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.